Select the choice that is a graph of the function x plus 4 times x minus 2 over x plus 3 times x minus 3. So to determine which of these graphs fits, we just need to get the important aspects of a rational function and see which one works. The important aspects are x-intercepts, y-intercepts, vertical asymptotes, and horizontal asymptotes. Now, x-intercepts are relatively easy to determine. So especially since this is in factored form. We just take each of the factors in the numerator, set those to 0, and that gives us our x-intercepts. So if I set x plus 4 to 0, that gives me negative 4. And if I set x minus 2 to 0, that gives me a positive 2. So I have x-intercepts at negative 4 and positive 2. So there's negative 4 and positive 2. That doesn't work out for this first graph. We can throw that out. For the next one, negative 4 and positive 2. That doesn't work for the second graph either. All right, the third one, that is crossing at negative 4 and positive 2, so that's fine. Then here's negative 4 and positive 2, so these two are still in the running. Vertical asymptotes. These occur when the denominator is equal to 0, so wherever these factors equal 0. So if I take x plus 3, set it to 0, I get x equals negative 3, and x equals positive 3. So we'll see if these graphs match up. And in fact, both of them do look like they have vertical asymptotes at those two locations. So that's not going to rule anything out. One thing that might rule something out is the location of the y-intercept. As you can clearly see, this one's positive and this one's negative, or the horizontal asymptote, wherever that happens to be, because the horizontal asymptote is positive in one graph and negative in the other. So let's try the horizontal asymptote because it's generally easier to determine in factored form. So the horizontal asymptote, since I have two zeros in the numerator and two zeros in the denominator, it's going to be the ratio of the leading term coefficients, which is y equals 1, because the leading term coefficients in the numerator and denominator are both 1. So positive 1, so that means this graph here is my correct choice. And this one is now ruled out.